Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all you Mac users out there. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to install Blender on your Mac. So, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough free disk space on your Mac. Okay, let's dive in. The first step is to visit the official Blender website. Open your favorite web browser and go to blender.org. Once you're on the home page, click on the download button. Now, you'll be directed to the download page. Blender offers different versions for various operating systems. Since we're installing it on a Mac, click on the Mac OS button to download the latest stable release. Great! Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. The disk image will appear in your default Downloads folder. Double-click on it to open the installer package. In the installer package, you'll see the Blender icon. Simply drag and drop it onto the Applications folder icon. This will start the installation process. Depending on your Mac's performance, it might take a few moments to complete. Once the installation is finished, close the installer package. Now, you can access Blender from your Applications folder. Double-click on it to launch Blender. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.